Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about 3D shapes. So in the last topic, we already know how we can make 2D shapes and what are 2D shapes. So in this topic, we will make 3D shapes. So to make 3D shape, we need composition. The normal composition won't work. So we will create a new composition. So here you can see how to create a new composition. Just click on this. Then you can see the 3D rendered here. Just click on this. Then we have this Cinema 4D as the default render option. In the drop-down menu, you can also see Classic 3D. But you have to choose Cinema 4D. Then just hit OK. After that, you can see this is our new composition. So now we will make our 3D object. We will make the 3D object with the help of 2D shapes basically. Here you can see all the shapes drop down. Let me take a star. I will take the star first. So let's just draw a simple star and I will just put it in the middle. Then change it in 3D. What we have to do is, here you can see, there are some tools. Here you have this 3D layer. It allows the layers to be manipulated in 3 dimensions. Then we have this adjustment layer. We all know work of adjustment layer and then motion blur. It simulates the duration. So let me choose this checkbox to convert this shape into 3D. This will create a 3D layer automatically of polyester. So now you can change its axis. We have the 2D layers actually. You can see that. You can see that it's a 2D layer. If I rotate this, it's a 2D layer, even though we already converted into 3D layer. But it still doesn't have depth. You can rotate it in any direction, but it doesn't have its form, the 3D depth. That's why it's looking suspicious. So to create depth layer, you have to select the metric option where you can see that. Just click on this bar. And if you want depth, choose exclusion depth. Let's take 20 or 40. Now when I move this, when I change its angle, you can see the depth is increased. I will increase it a little bit more. This is how you can increase the depth of the side. You can change its axis. Now it's a 3D object. If I change its fill, its size will increase like this. To get this is how you can do it. So I will finalize this. You can really notice the depth right now, of course. So what we have to do is next. Now we add shadows. How do we add shadows? So basically we will take a light. So here you have the layers option and just click on the layers. Then select new. Then we have the light. Just by clicking on the light, then you can see the spotlight. I won't make changes in this. And when I click on this, it will give light to the object. You can literally see that. I can change the location of the light to make it work in the way that I want. Now you can see that. If I move the light like this, it will give an effect. I will increase the intensity of light. You can see the properties of light here in this panel. See light options, then increase the intensity. Let me select 200 or 211. I will decrease the size here. You can adjust anything that you want here. I won't make many changes here. I will let it be as it is. Now you can see. If I move the object, shades will appear according to the light. You can see that easily. This is our 3D object. I will increase its scale so that you can see it clearly. Just press transform and scale. Now you can see it properly. This is your star shape. I will push the light back a little bit so that we can see the object more clearly. Now it looks good. This is our 3D object. So this is how you can make a 3D object and you can customize it as you want. This is our 3D object. Now let's take another example. If I want to make another object, so basically what we have to do, just click on this. I will make a block. As you can see, the star is hollow. If I give a movement, you can see that to the go through. Now we will make an object that is not hollow. A simple object like, let me make an ellipse. It looks good, I think. Let me fill this with white. and click it as a 3D option. As I mentioned before, then we will go into geometry and change its depth. I will change its lighting. Now you can see. It looks like a 3D object. I kept its depth low, but you can do it as per your choice. Now it looks like a capsule. This is our circle. Now if we have to increase its depth or the shade which comes for 3D, we can increase its hollow depth effect. Now just increase this. You can see the difference. So basically this is how you make 3D shapes. If I change its color, it will look different. I will change it to blue in 3D only. And the lighting should be good as it impacts on the 3D shape. In the next topic, we will see how we can make 2D objects or pictures into 3D objects. Let's jump into the next topic. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.